Welcome to Beast Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to install new language on Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. First of all, tap on the Windows Start icon. Tap on the setting gear icon. Here you can see Windows 10 settings. Tap on time and language. Tap languages. Here you can see by default set Windows display settings. If you want to install new language, tap on add a language. Here you can see different languages. Choose a language you want to install on your Windows 10 PC or laptop devices. Tap on a language, tap on a next. Here you can see different features of our language. Tap install. Now you can see install a language on your devices. Now choose drop down box of languages and select language you want to set in your Windows devices. That's it. I hope this tutorial helpful to change language on your Windows 10 PC. Please like, share and subscribe it.